Whoa. The other day I did a demonstration over at an Amish school and I threw that pot. And it's been sitting here waiting for me to trim it, so well, let's do it. Yeah, so we're just going to get back on the healing wheel. Back on the healing wheel. Well, I hope you're all doing okay out there on planet Earth. Remarkably, it stayed still quite soft. So when you trim something like this, you always got to look at the relationship between the width of the foot and the overall width and the height, and see what works, you know. I'm kind of used to doing it, so what I mean is for myself I've sort of already established what that sweet spot is, if you know what I mean. Learn to tap center. Absolutely essential, because you use tap centering in so many pottery disciplines, you know. Now, because it's been face down, it's a little bit on the wheel head there. I'm going to just use my trim tool here just to very slightly remove a little bit of material here just on the edge. What you must not do is put a sponge to the lip of any pot. Golden rule to be obeyed at all times. So use your fingers and a little water, that's all you need to do, okay? All that remains is perhaps for me to put my seal I've got to make your own seals. Just carve it in reverse in a piece of clay, and then you can use that to so when I apply a seal, I always put my my fingers right to the bottom, like that, right opposite where I'm going to push the seal. Because you just don't know maybe how much clay there is left there. Right now, as I push that seal in, I can feel it on the end of my finger, you know. There it is. Hey folks, thanks for watching. Just a quick little video. If anybody's interested in doing any ZOOMCLAY classes, get in touch. They are $65 an hour. You can pay through PayPal, preferably through friends and family. If you do it like that, then I don't have to pay PayPal. Their fees. Or you can mail me a check to Simon Leach, PO Box 323, Millheim, Pennsylvania 16854. That will also work. Or you can send me a money order for $65. And what I will do is I will sit with you, and you will be on the wheel, and you will be throwing and making, and I will be watching you, and I'll be telling you how to improve your technique. If that's something that you would like. It's not going to be me being on the wheel, it's going to be you being on the wheel and me watching you, giving you a live commentary on what you're doing. If that's something that grabs you, shoot me an email to simonleachpottery@gmail.com and we'll take it from there. Pottery wheels, you may notice this is not my normal wheel actually, this one. This is a wheel that came back to me, but I am taking orders on Leach wheels. I need 5 people, preferably, to make up an order batch, you know. What else can we do? Have a sip of tea. Came across my gold panning bowl. I've actually got some pay dirt in some bags here, which I need to sort out. See if there's any gold in it. Hey folks, thanks for joining me. I suppose I should actually look at you, shouldn't I? You might not look at you. Keep practicing and I'll see you soon. Thanks for joining me folks, as always. Just a quick video there. Okay, bye for now.